Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video where today we are reviewing this Audi R8 LMX. So this is the LMX variant. Now you might think what exactly is the LMX? LMX is a special edition of this Audi R8 which are only limited to 99 pieces in the world and only 3 in India. So yeah, this is the Audi R8 LMX. I was telling you what exactly LMX stand for. LMX is a special edition of the R8 and it pays tribute to all the 24 hours winners Le Mans race. Le Mans is a 24-hour race in which car goes and runs around the track for non-stop 24 hours. So speciality of this car is this headlights. This car was launched back in 2012 and it was the world's first car to get LED as well as laser beam projectors into this headlights, and these are the matrix turn indicators. You can see the projector lamp and this LEDs, and even there's a laser combination going here. This is the front grille. ये है carbon fiber sills. This works as aerodynamic parts. ये है front parking sensors. Those are the front parking sensors. Audi की branding, the Quattro logo. This is the 4-wheel drive variant. अच्छा Quattro की badging है. Front grille है. Again, this is for these are the first sensor. इधर भी दिए है carbon fiber sills for the aerodynamic. नीचे भी carbon fiber skid plate मिलती है. So ये है bonnet. It comes with this beautiful grey color and the golden stripes running all across the car. तो ये था कुछ front look. Now we'll explore more in detail from the side. ये कुछ side का look है. Coming to the alloy wheels, we have got this 19 inches alloy wheels with come this beautiful bronze color and this red brake caliper. V10 की badging. This is a 5.2 liter V10 naturally aspirated engine. I'll show you the engine. It's a beautiful engine. Here you have the glass panel back. From here you can feel the fuel lid. ये है carbon fiber की finish. This is not exactly the original carbon fiber part, but this is like the carbon fiber finish. And the speciality lies here that this is the 52nd version of the 52nd model, to be precise, out of 99. You can see there LMX. So it's a very special car, limited only to 3 pieces in India. Now just I'll quickly get around to the rear and show you the lights. So these are the LED lights which get this matrix turn indicators. R8 badging, the Audi logo, and this is the carbon fiber spoiler which is non-functional. You cannot adjust the height because it's manually fixed. It's not electronically adjustable. And these are the dual exhaust which you get one on this side and one on this side. Again back you have the parking sensors. And there's a radiator grille over here. So this was a rear look. Now I'll get onto the more exterior features in detail. So as you can see now, the trunk is open. This car gets the boot at the front. This is the car cover and you have some pretty decent boot space. When you compare it to Lamborghini Huracan, it's not as big as it, but it's pretty decent. You can have your one back fit in it, and you even get the light over here. It is also finished in a beautiful Alcantara finish, and all these are the carbon fiber parts. So this is overall how the trunk looks. Now let's listen to a cold start of this car. So this was all about the boot. So now we are going to listen a very cold start of this car. Amit. This was a really loud start. It's an amazing start. V10 naturally aspirated 5.2 liter engine. What an amazing cold start it was. You can OMG, this is amazing. This car is brutal as well as fabulous in the looks as well as in the performance. Amazing revs coming in. So yeah, this was basically all about the start. And now I'll lift and show you the trunk. Let's get it open from here. So this is the beautiful 5.2 liter V10 naturally aspirated engine. You can see the hood, the cover is open. This is an glass panel over here. See the engine noise, you can listen to it. These are all the engine components. From there you can fill the engine oil, and here also you have the fluid. That's a hydraulic system, and for the washer fluids and all this you can open this component, and there's some specifications about the car. So let's close down this. Yeah, so this is closed. So this was about the start, boot, and about the engine bay. Beautiful car, fabulous car with a really amazing performance, driving performance, aerodynamics, what not. So the speciality is this car is only limited to 99 pieces. That makes it so special, and only 3 in India, which is absolutely great. So this is the key to the car. You can see the Audi logo, and there are 3 buttons: lock and the trunk open and this unlock one. And now only the daytime running lights are running. You can see there's a branding, Audi logo and laser light. This makes this car very special, the laser light one, because it was the world's first production car. This was launched in 2012 with a combination of laser light and LED. So these are some aerodynamic bits. There you get the high mount stop lamp. So window, it's a pretty big window you get over here. This is only the 2-seater. The engine, this engine is even shared in the Lamborghini Huracan, the 5.2 liter naturally aspirated V10 engine. It gets a little bit more power than the normal Audi R8. It produces around 570 horsepower and 540 Newton meters of torque, and can go 0 to 100 in 3.4 seconds, and has a top speed of 324 kilometers per hour. ये है automatic rain sensing wipers. You can see the speaker. This car is equipped with Bang & Olufsen music sound system. So let's explore in detail from the side. These are the air intakes, so definitely for the cooling of the engine and for the aerodynamic purposes, to get a nice ventilation across here to reduce the drag. It's a sportier grille again. The tail lights are really beautiful. बहुत अच्छी दिखती है इसकी tail lights. And you can see V10 FSI, and this is the engine. The 2 Audi logos on top of it. From here you can fill the engine oil. So yeah, basically this was the complete exterior walk-on of the car. Now let's jump inside and let's have a look what are the features this car gets. So this is the door. Obviously it's a frameless door, and there you have this illuminated scuff plate which says R8 LMX and the number. As I told, this is the 52nd edition, or the 52nd model to be precise. These are the bucket shaped seats which get a blue treatment here, and they come with this blue double stitching. These all are leather seats. You get manually adjustable seats, obviously for weight saving reasons. And these are some of the carbon fiber finishes over here. Electronically adjustable ORVM, power window controls, and this is how open the key, and you have to manually put in, and you can start the car. So now let's jump inside and see. So getting into Audi R8 is not a difficult job. It's pretty easy. It's comfortable car once you are inside. Let's close the door. So this is the MID and the gauge cluster. It's a small MID. This is the speedometer, and this is the tachometer, which all goes all the way up to 10,000 RPM. This is the 7-inch infotainment system, which is not touchscreen. You can control obviously from here, and this is the for the voice commands. You get paddle shifters, illuminated paddle shifters, AC vents, door lock and unlock buttons. This car is equipped with 4 airbags and gets all the safety features including ABS, EBD, ESP. This is the automatic climate control. This is a manual automatic climate control, like you need to set the temperature. This is for the radio controls. This is an automatic gearbox. Then there is a sport mode. This is the button for the hazard light. ये ESP ऑफ का बटन है, ये पार्किंग सेंसर्स के बटन है. अगेन इधर कार्बन फाइबर फिनिश मिलती है, काफ़ी अच्छी फिनिश है. एंड दिस इज़ द हैंड ब्रेक, मैनुअल हैंड ब्रेक, नॉट एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पार्किंग ब्रेक. And this is the steering wheel. This is the heated steering wheel with a flat bottom, and there are pretty good finishes on the door as well. You get this nice leather finish on the door, and these are pretty small sun visors. And again you have this Alcantara finish over here, and these are for the lights. And overall the dashboard is covered in beautiful leather finish all across, and these are some of the carbon fiber finish over here. And this is the glove box, which is currently locked. On that door भी same ही treatment है, carbon fiber treatment उधर देखने को मिलता है. Some Alcantara finish over there. और पीछे थोड़ी सी storage space है. इस seats के पीछे थोड़ी सी storage space हमें देखने को मिलती है. I turn on the light and show you. देख सकते हो कुछ storage if you want to keep your bag. Here you get this 12-volt charging socket, and here you have this more storage space and a socket. These are the manually adjustable ORVM. These are the manually adjustable ORVMs. Nicely shaped AC vents, typical RD styling, V10 key badging. Let me show you again when the car is on. So if I turn on, the rev meter goes all the way up to there. So yeah, this was basically all about the interior of this car. I have showed you everything. Even these are some nice carbon fiber finishes. So basically this was everything about the exterior as well as the interior of the R8. Now let's get back. So this was basically everything about the Audi R8. I have showed you everything including the interior as well as the exterior. So this was my complete review. Please let me know down below in the comment section what you feel about the Audi R8 and what should you prefer over this or the Lamborghini. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to follow CL5 Motors on Instagram, as they have kindly allowed me to come and check out some of the exotic collections. They are one of the finest supercar dealers in India. They have one of the best inventory of cars. So thank you and subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in next video.